Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicles, UCAVs, are transforming modern warfare, providing high-speed, stealth capabilities and AI-driven decision-making to enhance combat effectiveness. Edge Group has unveiled its latest innovation, Jeniah, a next-generation jet-powered UCAV designed for multi-domain operations across land and maritime environments. This cutting-edge drone integrates advanced artificial intelligence, autonomous functionality, and high-speed maneuverability, making it a powerful asset for modern military forces. Jeniah is equipped with a jet engine that allows it to reach speeds exceeding 1,000 km/h, with a cruising speed of Mach 0.7. Its advanced AI systems enable real-time decision-making, assisting in navigation, target identification, and mission execution with minimal operator input. This ensures maximum efficiency in both independent missions and coordinated strike formations. The aircraft features a wingspan of 7 meters, a length of 11 meters, and a maximum takeoff weight of over 400 kilograms. It can carry a 480 kilograms payload, which includes guided munitions, reconnaissance sensors, and electronic warfare systems, allowing it to perform a variety of combat roles. Stealth plays a critical role in Jeniah's design. Its internal weapons bay minimizes radar signature, reducing the risk of detection by enemy air defense systems. This makes it highly effective in contested environments, where survivability depends on remaining undetected. The drone's situational awareness capabilities ensure it can operate efficiently even in limited communication scenarios, enhancing its ability to perform autonomous strikes or surveillance missions in hostile airspace. Jeniah's modular architecture allows for adaptability in various combat situations, enabling mission-specific configurations for reconnaissance, strike missions, electronic warfare, and more. With high operational flexibility, it is designed to work alongside manned aircraft and other UAVs, forming part of advanced network-centric warfare strategies. The combination of AI-driven autonomy, high-speed performance, and stealth capabilities positions Jeniah as a key player in the future of modern combat operations. As artificial intelligence and unmanned technologies continue to evolve, drones like Jeniah are shaping the next generation of warfare. Will AI-powered UCAVs define the future of aerial combat? Share your thoughts in the comments.